So in this video, I will show you how to create this geometric text effect in Canva. In a new project, go to Element and search for artistic geometry shapes. Click on the three dots and see more like this. Then add the one you want. Now add your text. Change the color to white and select this font called 210 black box. Now crop the geometry shape photo to get the final result. The next part will show you how to use a different font to get this result. Add a new page, go to Element and add a square shape. Increase the size and change the color to black. Add your text. Change the color to white. Increase the size and place it at the center. Now add your preferred font. Download the second page as PNG. Upload it back to Canva. Add another page, go to Element and add the artistic geometry shape. Go to Uploads and add the PNG photo. Edit the PNG photo and remove the background. Go to Effect, select Dual Tone, select Cherry, set the highlight and shadow color to white. Show layers and crop the artistic geometry shape photo. Now see the final result. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more Canva tutorials.